One of my favorite tools to help with hormone balance is seed cycling. This is a dietary practice where we take two different sets of seeds during different phases of the menstrual cycle in order to really help support hormonal balance. The specific seeds that we use are pumpkin seeds, flax seeds, sesame seeds, and sunflower seeds. The reason that we alternate between these different sets of seeds is to provide the body with specific blend of nutrients, fats, oils, and other nutrients that are beneficial during each phase of the menstrual cycle. For example, during the first half of the menstrual cycle, so right after the time that you bleed to ovulation, this is called the follicular phase. The body does need certain nutrients such as omega-3 fatty acids and lignans. These are found in flax seeds and pumpkin seeds, and that's why we use these seeds for this part of the cycle. During the second half of the cycle, so from ovulation to the first day of bleeding, this is called the luteal phase. And this time, the body needs more nutrients such as vitamin E and zinc. And these are found in the seeds that we use during this time, which is sesame seeds and sunflower seeds. By alternating between these two sets of seeds during each phase of the menstrual cycle, we're able to help the body to achieve the specific nutrients and requirements that are needed to support hormonal balance and promote overall health. The different seeds do bring different unique nutrient profiles that can benefit the body in different ways. So, for example, the flax seeds are rich in lignans, and these are compounds that have been shown to have estrogenic effects. And so they help to increase the estrogens naturally in our body. And during this phase, the first phase of the menstrual cycle, we need more estrogen. So by incorporating more flax seeds at the beginning and these lignans, we're able to increase estrogen production. Pumpkin seeds, they're a good source of zinc, which is important for supporting immune function and hormonal balance. Sesame seeds are high in vitamin E, which is a powerful antioxidant that can help to reduce both inflammation and support overall health. And sunflower seeds are rich in magnesium, and this is important for muscle and nerve function and can also help to reduce stress and anxiety. So the reason I love seed cycling is first, it's very effective. But then by using different seeds during each phase of the menstrual cycle, seed cycling helps to ensure that the body receives a range of nutrients and the right nutrients at the right time in order to promote optimal hormonal balance.